think modern concrete is the strongest? Wrong. Ancient Roman concrete is still standing strong after 2000 years, while ours crumbles in decades. The shocking truth, it's in their imperfections. Modern concrete strives for perfect mixing, but Romans intentionally left tiny, reactive chunks of lime, called lime clasts, throughout their mix. When tiny cracks inevitably formed, water would seep in, triggering these lime clasts to react. They'd sprout new calcium silicate hydrate crystals, literally healing the concrete from within. So, instead of weakening over time like ours, Roman concrete actually got stronger with exposure to elements, especially seawater. That's why their harbor walls still stand. Imagine structures that repair themselves. We're only just now rediscovering this ancient self-healing marvel. Mind blown.